So, I'm kind of tired of looking a hot mess. So, I'm going to get my life together tonight. My eye has been twitching all day. I don't know what that is about. I had to get my little spray bottle. But, yeah, for like the last few weeks, like life has kind of been a little disheveled. I'm not going to lie. Not my best few weeks organization-wise, just mentally, just spiritually, physically, all that. Not it hasn't been my worst either. Like I've been, you know, I'm gonna pat myself on the back for like hanging in there and being okay and making sure that I'm checking in with myself and telling me, you know, that, you know, you don't have to pretend. Father's business. All right, so for our pre-poo today, we're going to be using Dream Girls. This is actually a really, really good brand. You can tell because my bottle all dirty how much I use it. But this is their TLC Comb Out Treatment, and it's pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. So how I pre-poo my hair is, I usually just, ow! I'm just going to take, I feel like that's kind of loud. I'm trying to keep my energy up too because it's getting late. So I don't want to get like super duper tired. I love taking care of myself. It makes me happy. I understand the want to like take care of other people. But if you don't take care of yourself first, or just like make sure you're good, then you have nothing to give. You can't pour from an empty bottle. So you need to fill yourself up with the word. You need to fill yourself up with prayer, and you need to fill yourself up with some love. So that's what I'm doing. I don't know when's the last time I washed my hair, to be honest. It's growing too. I'm gonna take my pre-poo. Start between my fingers, and then I'm gonna just put that on my hair just like that. Acting like I do this all the time. I don't. All right, let me do the other side and then I'll be back. Actually, before I do the other side, I just got the unbrush and it worked fabulously like with my hair the other day. So let's see how it works with this. I can see why everybody loves this thing. Like, I am so in love. Like, I'm looking towards the mirror, so that's why you can't really see it. Maybe I'll come back on the other side so you can see it more. My hair is pretty thick, and this joint just goes right in there. That was like 5 minutes. That was a minute, actually. I'm looking at the time on the video. And I know it's getting all my shed hairs because shed hair is like way longer than if you would have breakage. Like shed hair, like when you shed hair, that hair should be like the length of your hair, like shaft. Like that's how you know it's a shed hair. Like, hold on, let me try to pull a piece out. This is shed hair. Like it should be that long. This is shed hair. All of that is shed hair. All right, let me put this back. I'm gonna let this little pre-poo sit in my hair. I love Dream Girls hair. Like their products, so good. I'm just making sure my hair got wet enough. And let me start by drinking this water. Not too much. Slow down. Did you drink water today? If you didn't, go get some. About my father's business. I was dancing like I was about to turn this water into wine. Like, let me get my life together. Okay, so my room is giving hot mess express. Don't look at my closet. But my room is giving like, I don't know. I got like clothes over here. I'm gonna show you. I got like stuff down there. I got stuff over here. I got like all this stuff. don't pay attention to that right there. Got like clothes over here in the corner. These are clean clothes. Like, what am I doing? Like, what are you doing? So yeah, I honestly don't even think like my room is like that bad, but it's time to get these clothes up off the floor and just straighten up a little bit. All right, so my room is sort of not, I wouldn't even call it clean. I just straightened up. Like, I don't know if you saw me just like shoving stuff into like drawers and just like putting it into like the general area. It's not like I did a deep clean or anything. Like, my drawers look crazy, but it's okay. You can say that for another day. But yeah, we're moving right along, and I hope you're moving right along too. And I hope that you're motivated, because honestly, I'm not that motivated right now. Sometimes you just have to do things even when you don't feel motivated. Like, and it's tough. It's tough, but you can do it. You can do it, and you'll feel so much better after. So I honestly, even from just doing this, I feel so much better. So I washed my hair and I deep conditioned it, and now it is like 10:17. So I'm making good time. Like, I'm gonna wash it out at like 11:30. Right now I'm about to, warm up a little bit and then stretch. Okay, so now I'm all like pretty much stretched out. Like, yeah, tonight wasn't about like doing too much. It was just about, straightening up and stretching a little, like getting back into the swing of things. So, take things little steps, little chunks at a time. I feel even better now than I did before. Like, I love having a clean room. I love when my hair is taken care of. And I love when I'm ready to dance. Like, I'm getting back into dance. Like, I'm not ready to, operate at 100%, but I'm at like 20 right now. So we'll see what else we can do this week, and we'll track that journey as well. I put this little scarf on because I was tired of the water like dripping down my neck. But yeah, so it's still only 10:40. So I'm gonna wait until like at least 11 to wash the stuff like up out of my hair. And hold on. Looking on my iPad, looking all cute. All right, I got distracted. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna read some Bible, because why not? I feel like that's the perfect end to quite a perfect night of just getting things done, getting some word in me. Let's see, what do I want to read tonight? Okay, so I read 1 Corinthians chapter 14, and I was basically reading about edification. Like, this was just kind of a read, like everything tonight. It's just been like a little bit, but I got a whole lot of it from that. And yeah, I love 1 Corinthians. Like, just so many things. I love the whole Bible. Like Matthew 6 is what I was reading the other day. And I just love how Jesus like spoke, like how he spoke about life in that chapter. It is so beautiful. Like if you haven't read Matthew 6, go read Matthew 6. But yeah, it's definitely time for me to wash this stuff up out of my hair because I'm tired of it dripping all down my neck and stuff. And yeah, Deshaun is asleep. I'm looking at the back of his head. He's asleep. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna brush my hair back into a ponytail. And I'm gonna put my scarves on. And then I'm gonna lay down myself. And I'm gonna go to sleep. It just hit me that I forgot to pick out what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. That's one fire that we'll just have tomorrow. Alright, so I washed the deep conditioner out and my hair is in like a little ponytail. And I went downstairs and I got a brownie. Like, I'm gonna have to make sure I brush my teeth before I go to sleep. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this, watch a little YouTube or something, and then I'm gonna brush my teeth and I'm gonna go to sleep. And I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. Good night.